morning. So, ngayon na ulit yung balik namin guys sa dentist kasi pinababalik kami ngayon para sa aking, ano ba ang tawag doon? Yung papantayin yung ipin ko sa harap, taas baba. Para hindi siya pantay, parang curves yung ipin natin, di ba? Papantayin lang lahat yan para maganda yung maganda yung itsura ng ipin ko. Kinakarir ko tong yung ipin natin, kailangan nating tawag dito. Kailangan nating ingatan yung ipin natin. So I'm excited. We're about to leave. Going to the dentist. Hindi ko sinuot ngayon yung dentures ko kasi dadaling ko siya kasi papaayos ko ng konti. Pabawasan ko yung konti sa baba kasi medyo makapal yung fake gums niya dito sa side na to. So ipapaayos ko siya, paninipisan ko siya. And then yung sa taas naman kasi dahil nga kahapon na appointment ko, yung may natanggal na ipin na piraso sa taas ko dito. Pinantay nila tapos yung tinanay kong ilagay yung fake teeth ko, yung dentures ko, medyo lumuwag yung braces. So papaayos ko ngayon yan. Nagmamadali na ako guys kasi paalis na kami. So ayan guys yung ipin ko. Yan. Yan siya. Yan. So, yan yung ipin ko. Papantayin nila yan, guys, ngayon. Papantayin nila yan, guys. Ayun, mag-focus ng camera. But anyways, papantayin nila yan ngayon, guys. So, I'm excited with that. And I guess see you later, guys. Talagang excited ako kasi gusto ko yung gusto kong ingatan yung ipin ko. Tsaka gusto ko yung ipin ko bantay para hindi na masira kasi wala na nga ako, 5 na yung natanggal sa aking ipin guys sa loob. So gusto kong i-maintain yung ipin ko na meron ako ngayon. Yay, another sunny day guys, and we're heading to the dentist and it's sunny. Ooh. Sunny day. I don't know how to look to my camera though. Like at the middle of the screen or on the camera?
You look there.
Oh,
yeah.
Really? It's
So,
just weird.
You look at the screen. And then you say things like, it's a hot fucking day. Yes, we're saying fuck in this vlog.
Oh no. Oh.
So, be post-warned. There's bad language. Little late. But, that sun up there, it's hot. It's a nice cool day. It's like 72, 74 degrees.
Oh God, he's taking over
But
my vlog.
that sun, my back feels like it's 95. Because there is nothing blocking it. Not a bit of cloud, humidity. It's really dry today. If you were to go running a mile, you'd go suck up a river or something. I mean, any water will do. It's dry. Although, if you've never been to a dry place, you don't know what that's like. You Filipinos, yeah, I'm talking to you.
Hello.
I'm better at talking. English, at least.
Oh well, English is my third language, so I'm still learning English. Yes.
Gonna start talking Bicol?
Not Bicol because some people they might.
Hey, you might find a good 100 people ever to watch your video.
Yeah, I
Because
can talk
it's not a
Bicol.
very wealthy region.
I can say Tagalog. I can say Bicol, my language when I'm grow up in Bicol, and I can talk English too. Even I'm not very good yet, but we'll see. Okay guys, tapos na nilang what do you call that, honey?
What? I forgot the actual name.
Me too.
Something oplasty.
Alright guys,
But
tapos na nilang ipantay yung
they
ipin ko.
shortened your teeth.
Yeah, they shorten my teeth. Yung sa taas lang, yung sa harap. Parang humantay siya, yung harapan. So guys, tapos na kami ng dental appointment and we're heading to the Planet Fitness because I have a what do you call that? Subscription?
Membership.
I have a membership that I haven't go to the
Haven't used it.
I have I have a membership and I haven't used it, so I'm decided to cancel it because it's a waste of money. I don't use it, and it charged me $21 every month. So
Except for this month.
except for this month, which is crazy. I don't know why they charged me $40 for this month. That's why I'm canceling it because I don't use it, and they charge me twice this month. $40 for membership to the gym? That's way too expensive. I don't know why. We'll figure it out later, guys. I'm gonna yell at them why they charge me $40 this month. Twice. So we'll see, guys. See you later. So we're heading home, guys, and we went to Goodwill, and I got 3 things to show you later, guys. Ooh, it's toasty. It's hot today.
Get in the shade.
Get in the shade.
Hey, clouds.
Oh yes, it's better here. So yay! We're at the middle of the street. Who cares? There's no cars.
Bug just tried to get in my eye.
So
Grass.
grass over here. Oh yes, this is better shade, oh, honey. So nasa bahay na kami, guys. Yung last pala namin na pinuntahan, dumaan kami sa Goodwill. Kung hindi nyo alam, guys, Goodwill is a thrift store here. So dumaan kami doon. Yun yung last na pinuntahan namin pagkatapos namin ng dentist, cancel ng membership sa gym, and pagkatapos niyan, pumunta kami sa Goodwill store. Pasensya na, dito na naman tayo, guys, kasi gusto ko yung lighting dito. Tapos may nabili akong 3 items. First items that I'm gonna show you, guys, I'm excited with this. It's a fall jacket. Ito siya, guys. Yan. And I don't know where is the tag. Ano siya, medium size, pero hindi naman masyadong malaki sa akin, kaya kinuha ko na kasi gusto ko siya. So, yan yung price niya, guys. Almost $11 because it's $10.99. So, $11 for this. So, $11, natakot ako sa camera. Ano lang kasi maliit lang kasi yung lababo dito ba sa sa taas. So, $11 siya. It's from Forever 21 and medium size. So, ito yung itsura niya, guys. Oh, cute. Kaya gusto ko. Yan. Ganyan yung itsura niya. Zipper mo siyang ganyan. Medyo malaki nga lang sa akin. Ganyan. Yun sa likod. And then, ganyan yung may zipper dito. May zipper din dito. And then, kulang sa kanya yung belt. Walang belt na kasama. Tingin na lang ako sa eBay ng belt na yung mag-match ng jacket na to. Pero ito yung itsura niya, guys. Oh. Ganyan siya. So, naku, sana huwag mahulog. Magandang jacket siya. Medyo may kalakihan nga lang, pero okay lang, guys. Yan yung itsura. Yan. And then, yan sa likod. Yung ditos niya, guys, ganito yung ditos niya. Ganyan siya. Ganyan. So, yan yung una kong, yun yung nakita kong, kasi na nga, fall na malamig na, nag-uumpisa ng malamig ngayon, guys, dito. And then, yung pangatlo, yung pangalawa naman, parang bago pa siya, hindi pa nagamit eh. Kasi yung halata mong turtleneck long sleeve. Yung color niya parang maroon, and then, extra small siya. And then, it comes red. Gap brand. So, yan siya, guys. Yung price niya, $7.99. Yung turtle. Hindi ko na isukat, natamad na. Hindi ko na isukat, guys. So, yung pangatlo naman, just in case, Express Design Studio, extra small. Tawag dito, parang formal attire, just in case mayroon akong interview o whatever. So, gusto ko yung kulay, yan medyo may shape sa likod. Long sleeve na formal attire just in case na meron akong pupuntahan na interview o whatever. So, yan ay perfect. Yun lang yung tatlong items, guys, na nabili ko sa Goodwill na pinuntahan namin ni Dan kanina after ng dentist appointment, guys. So, yun. Yung ginawa pala sa akin, guys, ng dentist kasi gusto kong hindi nga pantay yung ipin ko dito sa harap. So, inano nila, ang tawag dito? Grenelle ba yun? Basta parang ganun, grenelle nila, tsaka pinantay nila tong 4 na ipin ko. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yung buong harap ng ipin ko, inano nila, pinantay nila, minas nilang pantay-pantay silang lahat. So, ayun, I'm happy. Nakita ko talaga yung diferensya ng ipin ko kaninang umaga na hindi pa pinantay yan. Tsaka ngayong pinantay ni Doc yung ipin ko. Ang ganda. Ayan, guys, pantay na siya. Yan. Nakikita nyo, ayan, So, yan yung pinantay nila kanina ng dentist kanina. Yan yung pinantay kanina ng dentist, guys. Ito. Yan. So, I'm excited. Ayan, pantay na siya. Kasi dati, ito, maiksi, and then ito, medyo humaba siya. And then, maiksi, mahaba, maiksi, mahaba. So, tinanong ko kahapon kung pwede ba papantay ko to. Sabi niya, pwede naman. Binigyan ako ng option, 3 option braces. Hindi ko naman daw ito yung kailangan kasi nga, naman yung ipin ko, hindi okay naman yung ipin ko. And then yung sumunod yung unbelievable lines, I forgot how do you call that. So nirecommend lang sa akin na ipa-file nga to. So pinail na nila yung ipin kung mapantay siya. So I'm happy that, yan, pantay na siya. Yan. So, yeah. Yun, napantay yung ipin ko. Ang ganda, guys. Ayan, lapit tayo ng konti. Wait lang. Tingnan natin kung masum ng camera. So, ayan, guys. So, ayun. I'm excited. Na siya? Pantay na siya. Yehey! So, more smile. Palagi. Kasi naayos na siya. Ang next na papaayos ko yung baba naman. So, ayun lang, guys, yung vlog natin ngayon. Walang masyadong ganap. Tomorrow, I need to go back to work. Yay! Because I've been off for a week. So, tomorrow, I'm going back to work. And, yeah, have fun for me. So, I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!